to our favorite song over and over and over again. You showed a blue-collar city the beautiful game. In a town where hard work is revered as much as natural talent, your game was a perfect mixture of both, a true Philadelphia fit. You may not have been born here, but there's no question you belong here. As a man who's responsible for so many firsts, it's only right that you do the honors one last time as you take your rightful place in Union history. To the man who showed us how to do, there's so much to thank you for. Where do we begin?
Sebastian, along with your family, friends, and former teammates that are here now, there are some who are close to you who couldn't be with us tonight and still wanted to share how much you mean to them. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, please turn your attention to the video board as we hear from some of your friends.
Seth, congratulations on the Ring of Honor. No one deserves it more as the face of the Philadelphia Union franchise for several years. It was an honor to work with you.
I want to let you know how grateful and lucky I feel that I got a chance to be your teammate for those 2 years. And on a personal note, being roommates for those 2 years as well, I feel like. So appreciate everything you did for me on the field and as well as off the field.
Congratulations on a great career. Thank you for all the wonderful moments with your teammate. I wish you all the best in the future. What's up, Seth? Congratulations on being inducted into the Ring of Honor. You've always been a great teammate to me and everybody here. Congratulations again.
Hi, Seba. First of all, just want to say